what are the pros and cons of the two different ways to do things?
So one of the things is when you have your in-game UI, you depend on the speed of your internet to see everything properly. So if the connection is not good, the UI is gonna be pixelated. So it's hard for the user to interact with the application if they are not able to see the interface. But if you have the front end, then you can customize your loading screen, you can get information from your customer, you can display videos, you can display any information you want before the application is running. And when you have your in-game UI, you are putting some effort in terms of performance to Unreal Engine side. By moving this to the browser, then Unreal Engine is not gonna have to render this part, and it can be lightweight. So the performance will increase also for pixel streaming. And you have also a responsive adaptation. Some customers, when they have an application that they want to share for mobile and also for laptop, let's say, they have to have a first screen where the user has to select whether they are using a device with touch input or keyboard, or if they are using mobile or they are using a normal PC, so they have to adapt the UI. So all these kind of things can be done on the front end. Everything is going to be lightweight and it's going to adapt immediately.
What would be your pitch to really use the Web SDK?
So I mean, the first thing you have is you have full control of the streaming. So what I said before, when you have your streaming through the ShareLink, you have some kind of control in terms of the FFQ module. So if someone is not interacting with the streaming, it's gonna close by itself with some elements to say, hey, you are not interacting, do something, otherwise I'm gonna close the connection. But if you use the Web SDK, then you have full control. So you can decide whether to connect the streaming or disconnect and so on. That will give you also control in your cost, but also in terms of performance. From my side, I will say that if you want to showcase something that is just visual and is a product without anything else, that you cannot customize everything or do nothing, just see the product, then ShareLink is okay. But if you want to showcase something that you can set up all the options, change the camera movement, change the daylight and so on, then you have to go to the web integration, because then you can have full control on the front end for all the type of controllers.